Hello children, today I am going to explain you chapter number 6, Ria's journey. Ria and her friend Jia were very excited. So Ria and her friend Jia means both are friends. Ria and Jia were friends. They were going for a trip on a train to Vapi. Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. So Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going for a trip to Daman for a holiday. As both the families decided to go together, Ria's father had booked train tickets for both the families before 15 days. Just 2 days before their journey, Jia fell ill. So, just 2 days were left for the journey and Jia was not well. Doctor told her to take rest. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad, so they had made many plans for the trip. So, though both were very happy and very excited, but because of Jia's illness, they are not able to go together now. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Jia said, I had an idea. She told Ria, don't be upset. You write everything about your trip in a diary and take photos and videos in your mobile. When you will come back, I will read your diary and will see photos and videos too. So, she told to her that take all the videos and all the photos and write everything about your trip, and then after returning I am going to see all that and I will read your diary and I will be happy too. Ria went her home. She found one notebook and a pen and put it in her bag. So now everything she is writing in a diary. Today is a full moon day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. So they reached Gandhidham railway station now. After some time, the train arrived at the station. You can see the pic of a railway station. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. So train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj, main station of Kutch. So the train departed 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj. This is the main station of Kutch. The name of our train was the Kutch Express. When we went near the coach, there was so much commotion from a single door. So many were entering in that train. They are pushing each other. So people were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father felt someone pushing. So he said, train will stop here 15 to 20 minutes. So don't be in a hurry. So this father said that. We somehow managed to get in. Because of that crowdiness, they somehow managed to get inside the train, found their seats and kept their luggage at a proper place. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats. So mother and I got window seats. So whenever we got window seats, we are very excited because we want window seat only to see all the sceneries. Father and Himax got the middle seat. Himax is his brother. There was another family with us. They seemed to board the train from the previous station. So from the previous station they board in the train. They had 2 children of our age with them. So they had 2 children and they got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see if we were in a proper seat. So every time we travel, we see one ticket collector who come with a black coat and white trouser he wears. So from that we imagine that he is a ticket collector. After 1 hour, the train stopped at one station. I saw it from the window. It is a Samkhali Junction was written on the station. I asked my father, why is the junction was written after the station name? So he is asking why it's written Samkhali Junction. Father explained to me that the station at which two or more railway tracks are separating, it is called a junction. From this station, two railway tracks are separating. On the track on which we are running, the train running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. Train departed after 2-3 minutes. The two tracks separated from one another. Father showed it to me from the window. So from the window, he showed to her. A train left that station. I was observing the view outside the window. So she is observing everything from the window. It was looking like white bed sheets spread across an open plain up to far away in a full moonlight. So father said, it is a small desert of Kutch and it is looking like white bed sheet because of white layer of salt on it. In this area, Agarias are harvesting salt by making salt, and there we can also see a very big heaps of salt. So they make one small pool type area, like small squares they make, and when the sea evaporates, that time the salt is remained in that small pools, and those workers are called Agarias. And they collect heaps of salt from in that area only. And one side they collect that, and it look like small mountain type. The train was moving fast. Something like a bridge was seen in a faint light of moon. There was light of vehicles seen on it. While we were crossing the bridge, I asked my father, which is this bridge? So he replied, it is a Surajbari bridge and it is known as the entrance of Kutch. He said that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go via Palanpur. That used to make much time. So when this bridge was not made, so they have to come from a long route, and it was taken more time to reach any place. Immediately I asked my father, we had seen two separate railway tracks. Before that was a way to Palanpur, right? So yes, father said yes. From that route only train was going. It was 11 at night. So father told us to sleep. Mother spread out bed sheet on our seat. All passengers were also going to sleep. There was a toilet facility also in the train. So I went to toilet with my mother and then she slept. I tried to sleep, but I was not able to sleep due to train's noise. Due to the noise of the trains, is not able to sleep. There was another family near our seat. The girl in the family seems to be of my age, so that girl is also of her age, and she was comfortable with her. So the girl in the family seems to be of my age. She was also not feeling sleepy. We both talked and shared, and both talked, and they become friends, and they share many things. Her name was Fiona. So her name was Fiona. She had some story books. I also took one book from her and started reading it. So they both were reading the books now. While reading the book, I slept. Suddenly I woke up. So while reading, she slept and suddenly she woke up. I saw that light was coming from the window. So from the window light was coming. Because of that she woke up. I sat and peeped out of the window. It seems a big city had came. The train was passing. The city was looking very beautiful all around because of lighting. So because of lightning, this city was, we don't know the city's name, but it was very attractive. I have never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham. So she is saying she has not seen such type of lighting in Gandhidham. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from a railway crossing where all around tall buildings and the atmosphere was quiet. I took my mother's mobile to take photos and videos of those beautiful scenes which we'll enjoy watching later. So she took all the pictures of the beautiful sceneries. Our train reached at one big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came. So he told that Ahmedabad came now, and the atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hawkers. So when you enter any station, you can see the hawkers, some were selling samosas, some sell water, some sell chai, and some sell books. Many are there. So some of the words were chai, then garam bhajia, puri saag, cold water bottle, then bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple, etc. Father said the train will be at the station for 20 to 25 minutes. Father got down from the train to fill water bottle. I also went, so she also went with his father to fill the water bottle. The platform was crowded. Passengers were buying from the hawker. There were many other trains at the platform. There were people with red uniform carrying loads. So those who carry loads, they are having a special uniform which is of red color. There was an important announcement on the mics. Always the announcement was on the mic. You might have heard this in every station. Some passengers were waiting for the train. So some are waiting, some are going, some are walking for to catch the train from one station to another. Then we took bananas and chiku from the hawkers and got into the train. So by the time the train started, we ate bananas and chiku, and I went to the toilet. Now I was not feeling sleepy. I was having bored of snakes and ladder game. So he marks Fiona and I played snake, and so now they are playing snake and ladder game. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nalya where Fiona had to get down. So Fiona said bye to us. Then I and Himax went to sleep. So from this, our explanation part is over, and I am going to send the notes of this chapter also. Write neatly in your workbook. Okay.